Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at using aiERP to create autofill rules. For this one, we're going to use the customers form. We'll go to automations, autofill rules, and create with AI. We'll say when creating a new customer, country is not United States. Set the VAT code to 000. We'll press enter and let AI generate the rule for us. We'll then click save. We can go back to our form and create the new customer. We'll go to address and phone, choose the country, and we can go to payments to see it set the VAT code. Thank you.